So this is the latest building that my wife and I have just finished. We've got a bank on the side with the vault and the boardroom. And on the other side we've got a grocery store. And above that, in the vault, there's bars of gold and silver and a hold up happening. So pretty happy with the outcome. Everything is 3D printed. The only parts that aren't 3D printed are the people. Everything else designed and printed by us and painted. And this is the finished product with the internal part inside the building. The windows look a little bit glazed, might have to have a look at that. But I'm pretty happy with it.
Thanks, wifey.
And thanks to my wife for painting it and putting the people in and doing a lot of the internal gluing. And there's actually a couple of people having a fight over some toilet paper. Anyway, hope you like it. I'll keep you updated on the next projects.